Hey you all there, welcome back to my channel. This is baby Mira here. So you're gonna watch me transform from 0 to 100 today. Yeah. So the first thing you have to do is to use your primer first, just as it is in the video. Yeah, guys, product used are going to be linked on the description box down below, so don't worry. If you want to know the product which I used on this makeup video today, you're going to get it on the description box. So yeah, that's it. So the next thing I'm going to use is the eye pencil. You all know what eye pencil is, but whichever one that suits you right, just use that one. So yeah, eye pencil to draw the brows. That's the next thing to do. Next thing is to align your brow using the concealer. You can use a pro concealer or anything. I'm not using a pro concealer. I'm using something else because I prefer this. I'm gonna link it on the description box. Now it's time to apply foundation. I'm not going to contour and all that. Like I told you, just watch me transform from 0 to 100 like real quick. Yeah, so I'm not going to contour my face. I'm just using a foundation. Yeah. Now it's time to use the palette, the eyeshadow palette. I use basically nude colors because I really don't like shouty colors. I know. Yeah, that's it. Guys, it's time to turn to a body, like, yeah. So the next thing I'm gonna use is my eyeliner, yeah, yep. It's time to use that powder, baby girl. Yeah, it's time to use that powder. Spot that glow, baby girl. Just spot that glow. The bronzer is big, like, yeah, it is. Yeah, here comes the lippy of life, like. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.